Do you want to feel like a superhero? Then it's time to meet your fruity sidekicks. Fruits are nature's candy, but even better. They're packed with vitamins, which are like tiny power-ups for your body. For example, oranges have vitamin C. This helps keep colds away and makes you feel awesome. Bananas, they're the ultimate energy boost. Need to run fast or play longer? A banana's got your back. And berries, oh, they're tiny but mighty. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they're all loaded with antioxidants. That's just a fancy word for stuff that keeps your body happy and strong. Here's a fun fact. Did you know apples can float? Yep, they're full of air pockets, so they bob around in water like little fruity boats. Cool, right? Pineapples wear spiky crowns because they're the kings of digestion. They help your tummy feel good after you eat. And watermelon, it's like a sip of water and a sweet treat. Perfect for staying hydrated on a sunny day. The best part, fruits come in every color of the rainbow. Red, green, yellow, purple. They make your plate look like a party. And you know what? The more colors you eat, the more superpowers you get. So next time you're hungry, grab a fruit. It's tasty, it's fun, and it's your body's best friend. Fruits are superheroes, and they're here to save the day, one bite at a time. Now go try a new fruit today. Your taste buds and your superpowers will thank you.